In this video, I'll be dyeing some clothes over an open fire. I have a few items here that have faded, and I also have a wool cap that my wife made for me, and I would like to make it a darker color. I will put a link to an instructional video. This video is more for entertainment, and the reason for doing this outside, it's going to be very messy using black dyes, especially if you have white appliances. Another option is to heat the water inside and do the dyeing process outside, but you can do this in a washing machine or your stovetop. I have a very large pot with water heating over the fire. I want the water to be very hot but not boiling. I like to burn willow as it doesn't blacken the pot like spruce does. I make sure the fabric is wet prior to dyeing, otherwise you might get a tie-dye effect. I add a cup of salt for cotton fabrics or a cup of vinegar for wools. This helps set the dye in the fabric. I add a drop of dish soap. This helps make for even dyeing. I then add the dye, stirring everything together. I put the clothes in 1 or 2 items at a time as to not overcrowd the pot for about 15 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. After everything is dyed, I hang dry for a few days, then hand wash separately in case the color bleeds. In this video, I'll be dyeing some clothes over an open fire. I have a few items. Oh my fuck. To a more instructional video. This is more for entertainment purposes.